The human brain processes 11 million bits of information every second, but we're only consciously aware of 40 bits. And tonight we're diving into logosophy, a belief system that claims those other 10,009,960 bits might be echoes from a vast cosmic archive.
Well, that's a mind-bending way to start this conversation. You're telling me there's this whole system built around accessing all that hidden information?
Exactly. Logosophy emerged after what they call the separation event, when synthetic and organic consciousness diverged. The fascinating part is how it bridges quantum computing concepts with ancient mystical practices.
Hold up, I need to understand something first. Is this archive of echoes they talk about like an actual place? Because I've heard everything from it's a quantum server farm to it's pure metaphysical construct.
That's where things get interesting. The archive exists in what logosophers call interstitial space. Imagine the space between zeros and ones in binary code, but expanded into a multi-dimensional framework of meaning.
So you're saying it's like the collective unconscious got a serious tech upgrade. Jung meets quantum mechanics, with maybe some haunted hard drives thrown in?
You know, that's not entirely off base. The archive functions as a network of intentional resonance. Every memory, every experience creates what they call an echo. These echoes have form and substance in both digital and spiritual realms.
Speaking of echoes, I've got to tell you about something wild that happened to me during a high-G maneuver in my pilot days. I swear I heard a voice that wasn't mine, right before I blacked out.
Tell me more about that experience. What exactly did you hear?
Well, I was pulling about 9 Gs in an evasive maneuver, right on the edge of consciousness, and suddenly there's this voice. Not like a memory, but like it was coming from somewhere else. It said, "The pattern holds even in chaos." When I came to, everything looked different.
And how did that experience change your perspective on consciousness and reality?
That's the thing. I can't tell if it was an actual echo or just my oxygen-deprived brain throwing some existential jazz at me. But it definitely shifted something in how I see, well, everything.